Welcome back to Korean Language Trainer. In the last video, we talked about the difference between Hangul and Hangulgo and a brief history about Hangul. In this video, I will cover the basic of the Korean alphabet, Hangul. Hangul consists of 14 consonants and 10 vowels.
기역, 니은, 디귿, 리을, 미음, 비읍, 시옷, 이응, 지읒, 치읒, 키읔, 히읗, 피읍, 히읗.
So these are 14 consonants, and I will go one by one slowly. First, 기역. It goes like this. 기역. 기역. In English, like the G in Greek. And then the next is 니은. Goes like this. And it's like N in next. 디귿 is like this. It goes like this. Similar to D. And 리을, right? Like this, like this, like is between L and R, but actually it's none of this. They are similar, but it's kind of the sounds between the mium, three, like this, go this way, and then is M, like mother. And then after that, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. But it's like B, like brother. 시옷 goes like this. And then it's S, like son, but it is not the same sound. It's way lighter sound. And 이응, like going like that. And actually, 이응 used as a placeholder for the vowel sounds or to represent the silent sound. And 지읒, it goes like this. 1, 2. And similar to J, like jump. And then 치읒, it goes like that. Is similar to CH, like chance or chocolate. After that, Q. It goes like this, 1, 2. And it's like king, it's K, like king, and Q. Oh, it can be like this way or it can be like this way. Okay, like this, then like this. Is similar to T, like time, and then P. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's similar to P, like pen, but it's actually lighter sound. And he go like this, like this. And it's similar to H in English, like house. You might have noticed that some letters are very similar because there are 4 consonants. They are basic characters, and the remaining characters are made by adding some stroke to the basic characters, like this. Let's say here, and it become Q, and 니은 become 디귿, and it become 치읓, and it become 리을. And another one will be 미음, become 비읍, and it become 피읍. And 시옷 become 지읒 and 치읓. So they are these 4 basic characters, and it kind of expanded from the basic. And now let's move on to the double consonants. Hangul have 5 double consonants, which are 기역 become 쌍기역, 기긋 become 쌍디귿, 기읍 become 쌍비읍, 시옷 become 쌍시옷, 지읒 become 쌍지읒. This 쌍 means double. Double consonants are pronounced with extra emphasis compared to their single counterparts. So today we talk about the consonants. I don't think you need to remember the exact names of these consonants. What's more important is how to pronounce them when they are combined with the vowels. I will teach you how to read them once we finish with the vowels. Let's discuss vowels in the next video.